fake. I forgot what I ordered. I know I ordered accessories just because I wanted to check out the quality. So here we go. This is supposed to be a lunch bag, y'all. Let's see. Just a little something to put the food in. Okay. Got the foil. I mean, not bad for what? $3. $3. A little juice, a little apple, you know, little snacks in there. Make sure the zipper works. Let's see. Yep, she zipped up, y'all. She zipped up. Let's see if she's stand up. And she's stand up. I mean, for $3, she giving Betsy a little run for her money. So that was a good purchase. Let's see. Let's go. Y'all can see this hit. We can get it. This is supposed to be Fishnet red Valentine's Day. Don't judge me. If you do, I don't care. I don't care. So it's supposed to be a full body one. I guess that's really only one way to find out. The quality do look a little bit cheaper than what the picture showed. So yeah, that's that. We're gonna see how they look on versus off. What is this? I forgot. I'm breaking stuff. What if these are my sunglasses? Oh my God. What if these are my sunglasses? What if I can't open this box or I break a nail? I gotta get my nail vitamins back. I've been trying to find them. I think it's Michele. But for some reason, CVS been, oh my God, these are my sunglasses. I'm just banging them so violently. So I wanted to get something cute, you know, to accessorize for Valentine's Day. Oh my God. Okay, I think I paid what? Like $3 for these. So there's the detail on the side. Oh, not bad for $3. And then I got a little coupon because it was my first purchase. I like these. I'm going to show them to y'all when I put them on. I'm not putting them on right now, though, because I got my other glasses on. That's why I'm not putting them on right now, because I got my other glasses on. Okay, so let's put them back in there. That was nice. I'm glad I ain't scratched and banging them like that. Okay, so that's that. Then we got a hat. Got quick line. Ooh, the opening. Yeah. Okay, so last purchase, I got a hat. Because it got 23 on it. I think this is, look, I'm not a sports fan, so I'm assuming that this is a football player. Who number is this? Who number is 23? So I got 23 because my birthday is on the 23rd. We have approximately 23 days before the day. So, yeah, so that's my haul. Little accessories. Got a hat. Got some sunglasses. I will purchase these again. That was good quality. This, I'm not really sure. We're going to see. But, hey, it ain't going to be on that long anyway. And then this, I was really glad with my purchase. So, y'all go to Temu. I'm going to get a code or something because I've been doing good reviews and stuff.